fucking flame, bro.
What's up, guys? I'm Josue and we're back with a dead channel. You guys are ruthless. In today's video, we will be talking about the top 5 best exhaust systems for a NISSAN 350z. But before we get started, as you guys may have noticed, we managed to hit 30,000 subscribers. I haven't been able to thank you guys for helping us reach another milestone. As you guys know, every single time we hit a milestone, I like to do a giveaway. And this time, I'm giving away $100 for every 10,000 subscribers that we have. If you guys want a chance to win $100, there are 3 simple steps you have to follow. Hit that subscribe button, help us reach 35,000. Drop the video a like, and comment down below where you guys are located and what car you drive. I'm curious to see as which cars you guys are driving around. I will be picking the winner within the next month, but anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Z1 Motorsport M-Spec single exhaust. Tomei Extreme TI. NVIDIA N1. HKS High-Power. ISR blast pipe dual tip.
Go.
That's going to be it, guys. Hopefully this list of the best exhaust systems for a NISSAN 350z helped you guys in choosing an exhaust for your fair lady Z. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video and found it helpful. Drop the video a like, subscribe if you haven't, help us reach 35,000 subscribers. And remember, never give up on something that you can't go a day without thinking about. I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does.